Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Does your home need major repair, or do you need to sell quickly for cash? We've got your hero for you, real estate expert, investor, and broker for First Prime Realty Group, Lathe Lavada. He is here to show us how you can do so and get your home, cash for your home. It's great having you.
Thank you.
Let's talk about this. You buy homes from sellers. What types of homes do you buy, and what types of sellers do you buy from?
I buy unwanted homes from sellers who need to sell quickly.
Okay.
Either the home needs massive repairs or the seller is facing some sort of hardship, such as a job loss, relocation, divorce. Maybe they've inherited a property from a homeowner who's had a family member pass away, or it's a rental property that just is unwanted.
Sometimes you'll inherit that type of home that, wow, this has not been updated in 50 years. What am I going to do? This is going to cost me a ridiculous amount of money to try to fix and put back on the market. We could give that to you. You could give us cash for that home, and then you do what with it?
Well, typically what I do is I do one of two things.
Okay.
I will fix the home up and keep it in my long-term rental portfolio, or I'll fix it up, put it back on the market for resale to a home buyer.
Okay.
And it's really a win-win situation for everyone. I like to work with these home sellers because I get to help them out of a bad situation.
So these are for people that it's not necessarily your typical home sale, but in the sense of, you want to either get out of it fast, or it's just way beyond your reach to be able to fix it. We give it to you and you do your magic.
That's exactly right.
Awesome. Does the seller end up paying a real estate commission on this?
On the homes I buy, there's no real estate commissions.
Okay.
I also pay ordinary seller closing costs at close of escrow.
No kidding.
Yeah. This is an as-is transaction. So, we're helping sellers who may not have the funds to obviously repair these properties. And so there's no fix-ups, there's no repairs to be done. It's as is, and I'll come in and purchase the home and help the homeowner make an easy transition out of the property.
You're the one getting your hands dirty.
That's right.
Which is a lot better than me. How fast can this happen? I mean, let's say we have a property, we just want to get it off our hands. How soon can we get it done?
I've purchased homes as quickly as 3 days before with cash.
No kidding.
Yes.
Wow. And have the cash thing too, and not have to wait for escrow, wait for all those the things that can tie up something of a sale of this magnitude.
Right.
If you try to get a mortgage, they're going to say, oh, well, you have to fix this, this, and this before we put our name to it.
That's right. Yeah. Most buyers are unwilling or unable to purchase homes like this due to the strict lender guidelines. So, it's necessary to sell to a cash buyer like myself, because we're the only ones who can afford to buy those and do the repairs. And when a normal home buyer, they can't get the loan on there, and they can't afford possibly those fix-up costs.
So let's say we're in this situation right now. We're wondering whether or not our home is worthy or unworthy enough for you to take off our hands. How do we find out?
Well, it's really simple. I have a 3-step process.
Okay.
Just give my office a call for a 24-hour no obligation cash offer. And then what we'll do is we'll take a look at the property, evaluate it. Step 2 is we come to an agreeable purchase price. We sign a purchase agreement. Step 3, we go to title and closing, a third-party title company, and you'll get your cash profits at close of escrow. We want to make it as smooth a transition for that homeowner as possible, because a lot of homeowners are in a situation where they're not able to, they're in a rush. They don't have time. They just need to be out of the property very quickly. So those are the homeowners that we help.
Awesome. I know you have a radio show as well where you answer not just questions regarding homes of this magnitude, but any home really in any situation that you see out there. Tell us about the radio show.
I do. The radio show, we talk about all things real estate, whether it's buying homes for cash or fixing up homes, or how to sell homes for top dollar, or buy homes. That's what the radio show is really about. And it's on demand on our website at lathelavada.com, so you can access those recorded shows anytime you'd like.
It's very convenient, so you have to listen at a certain time. You're just 2 a.m., you're thinking about it, hit play, you're good to go.
That's right.
And people can ask questions from there, and I know they can contact your office and ask questions as well. How do they do so?
They sure can. Just give our office a call. The number's 702-476-2000, and I have someone always standing by to take those calls and set up times to come down and talk to me about either, selling your home for cash or whatever you'd like to do with the property.
All right, Lathe, great having you as always. Thank you so much, buddy.
Thank you.
All right, again, you can catch Lathe's radio show. It's available anytime on his website or on iTunes. Sell your home to Lathe for a guaranteed quick and easy 24-hour, no-obligation cash offer. For more on his services, call the number or visit the website on your screen. Lathe is also on Facebook and Twitter.